Yes, good day everyone. This is another what? Compound. We are to name this particular compound. Don't forget the rules if you want to name any compound given to you. If you take a look at it very well, we have CHO, we have OH. CHO means alkana, OH means what? Alcohol. But despite the fact that both of them, they are what? Functional group. Which one out of the two functional group, which one will serve as what? Substituent. I get to the point. To know the one that will serve as what? Substituent, take a look at this one very well. This one starts from the beginning. This one is at what? At the middle. Definitely, out of the two, this one serves as substituent. This one will be the what? Functional group that we are going to consider to name this particular compound. We don't need to stress ourselves again. We don't need to be okay that we have to consider the longest or where we are going to start naming the carbon atom. Since we have functional group here, functional group will show the direction if you want to name the particular compound. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if I count it this way, we have 5 carbon atoms. And any 5 carbon atom, we call it pent. Pent is for carbon atom. But because it belongs to what? Functional group of alkana, we can call it pentana. Is that taken? Since I what? Count the number of carbon atoms this way, OH is on carbon number 3. That means OH will serve as what? Substituent. It will now give us 3 hydroxyl pentana or 3 hydroxyl pent 1 or 3 hydroxyl 1 pentana. So that is the name of what? Organic compound. Let's go to another example. Let's go to what? Another example. We have another example. Okay, let's consider CH3, CHOH, then CH2, followed by CHOH again, then followed by what do we have here? CHO. You can see that this one is what? This one is also alkana, and we have OH, which is what? Substituent. How do we name this particular compound? You don't need to stress yourself. Just consider the alkana. That will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Abi? So from there, what do we have? It will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is pentana. Abi? We have OH on carbon number 2. We have another OH on what? Carbon number 4. At the end of the day, we are going to have 2,4 dihydroxyl pentana. 2,4 dihydroxyl pentana. Why do we put the word of di? Because we have 2 OH. That is why we call it what? 2,4 dihydroxyl pentana. Let's look at another one. Look at this man. We have CH3. Another one. What do we have? We have another C, which is hydrogen. Then what do we have? We have OH. Then next one is what? COOH. Look at this one. We have alkanoic acid and we have what's called alcohol. Another name for alkanoic acid is what? Carboxylic acid. Another name for alkanoid is what? Alcohol. We have 2 functional groups here. But don't forget that this one falls in the middle. It will serve as substituent. Why this one will be the what? Functional group. Since we have the functional group, we don't need to stress ourselves. Just consider functional group, which is 1, 2, 3. What do we have? That will be 2-hydroxyl, 2-hydroxyl, 2-hydroxyl propanoic acid, 2-hydroxyl propanoic acid, 2-hydroxyl propanoic acid. So that is the name for this, or okay, for this particular compound given to us. So we still have more. We still have what? We still have more. Let's name another one, please. Hope you are enjoying the naming. Then there is another one, please. Okay. There is another one. We have CH3, CH2, then another carbon with OH and COOH, COOH, then CH2, COOH. How do we name this compound? How do we name this weighting? This compound. You can see this one, we have COH, OH, COH. Imagine functional group also serve as functional group. Voila. So how do we name this compound? This we are okay. If you want to name the compound, there is something called activity series of organic chemistry. There are some organic compound. Their functional group has more power than another functional group. Is that okay? Now I will consider this one because of the word power. I get to the point. This one serves as substituent. I get to the point. I will call it what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one falls to what? Carbon number 3. That will be 3 carboxylic. 3 carbon weighting. Carboxylic. Abi 2 hydro. No, go for me back. 3 hydroxyl. 3 hydro weighting. Hydroxyl. Abi now. Pentanoic acid. Pentanoic acid. So thank you. We are still going to bring another episode under for what? For naming of organic compound.